Hello and welcome to How to Play Iron Cross Poker. The game is played with 2 to 9 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and something to make bets with, such as poker chips. Each player is dealt 5 cards, 1 card at a time. 5 cards are then dealt to the middle in the shape of a cross. The object of the game is to win chips. Chips are won by being the only player that did not fold, or by having the highest ranking poker hand among all the players that did not fold at the end of the hand. The poker hands are ranked with the best being a straight flush, which is 5 cards in sequence in the same suit, then 4 of a kind, then a full house, which is 3 of a kind with a pair. If multiple players have a full house, the player with the best 3 of a kind wins the hand. Then a flush, which is 5 cards in the same suit, then a straight, which is 5 cards in sequence, then a 3 of a kind, then 2 pair, then a pair, and last high card. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Players will create the best 5-card poker hand using at least 2 cards from your hand in combination with cards from the middle. Cards used from the middle have to all come from either the horizontal line of cards or the vertical line of cards. The game starts with a betting round. The player left of the dealer is first to take a turn. During the betting phase, a player can check, meaning they do not make a bet but are still in the game. A player can place a bet into the middle pot. Once a bet is placed, a player can no longer check, but must at least call the bet by betting the same amount previously bet. A player can raise the bet, or a player can fold and be out for the round. Once every player has made an equal bet or folded, the betting round is over. Once the first betting round is over, the top card of the cross is flipped up. Another betting round is started. The remainder of the round goes as follows. The right card is flipped up, a betting round. The bottom card is flipped up, a betting round. The left card is flipped up, a betting round. The middle card is flipped up, a betting round. Then there is a final showdown where the remaining players will show their cards and announce their best 5-card poker hand. The player with the highest ranking poker hand wins the middle pot of chips. If 2 or more players tie for the best ranking poker hand, the middle pot of chips is split between the tying players. That wraps up How to Play Iron Cross Poker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.